Come and spend the day with us in Aspen, Colorado. Today we're going snowmobiling in the mountains. I was so excited for this. We started the day at 8 a.m. where we drove into Aspen to the T Lazy 7 Ranch, where they hosted snowmobile tours. They gave us rental helmets and boots before going over how to ride the snowmobile. It was a lot of our first times riding the snowmobile, so a lot of us were nervous in the beginning. But once we started riding, we got the hang of it pretty quickly. I feel like it is easier than riding a bike. We went up an out and back trail which had the most beautiful views of the mountains. Our tour guide gave us a few pit stops to check in on us, let us take pictures, and admire the scenery. I still can't get over how beautiful these mountains are. After riding on the trail for 2 hours, we parked by this cabin near the ranch where they had prepared us all these delicious grilled burgers. We enjoyed them in this cute little cabin that kind of resembles a treehouse. Once we got back to the ranch, we said hello to some of their farm animals, then headed back to the Airbnb. Since it's our last day here, I decided to relax and enjoy the amenities of the Airbnb for the rest of the day. This master bathroom is insane. Like, look at this stunning bathtub. Not only does it have this huge bathtub, but the shower also turns into a steam room. So obviously, to warm up after the snowmobile tour, we took a steam shower and enjoyed the bathtub, which was so relaxing. Bye!